Cybersecurity is changing fast. Every cybersecurity professional knows that. Attackers no longer need to break in. AI helps them discover vulnerable code, expose permissions, and weak trust relationships automatically. That's why projects like Mythos, Glasswing, and QuiltWorks exist. The future of security is not just blocking malware anymore. It is continuously finding and fixing weaknesses before attackers turn them into weapons. The next breach won't start with an alert. Just think about that.